you doing, guys? It's Belly here. I do coding stuff on YouTube. Check the description for all my information. I do all LeetCode problems. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, give me a big thumbs up to support it. And this is called group of people. Given the group size they belong to, there are n people whose IDs go from 0 to n minus 1, and each person belongs exactly to one group. Given the array group sizes of length n, telling the group size each person belongs to, return the groups there are and the people's IDs each group includes. You can return any solution in any order, and the same applies for IDs. Also, it is guaranteed that there exists at least one solution. For example, we got this array right here, group sizes, and we return 5, 0, 1, 2, and 3, 4, 6 because, means explanation. Other possible solutions are 2, 1, 6, 5, 0, 4, 3, and 5, 0, 6, 2, 4, 3, 1. Here we return 1, 0, 5, 2, 3, and 4. The length of that array is equal to n, and n is greater than or equal to 1, and is less than or equal to 500. Group sizes at the position of I is greater than or equal to 1, and is less than or equal to n. Well, go ahead. First, we need to create list, the type list, the type integer, list of lists. We say result new array list of the type list integer. Next we create the for loop. Int I is equal to 0, I is less than, let's copy that, group sizes dot length I plus plus, and at each iteration we create the list. We type integer, it's called list, and before that we create a map, the type integer, and as a key and as a value we got list, the type integer. We call this map new hash map of the type integer, and list of the type integer as well. Yeah, and in the case when we call the method compute if absent, and right here we pass group sizes at the position of I, and we use a functional programming here. We say k new array list, the type integer. And what does it mean? That means that we, in the case when there is already the key which is assigned, there is already a value which is assigned to this key into this map, right? That means that this key's value is not equal to null. Then we construct the list containing the values which are assigned to this key, right? And then we otherwise if there is no key into this map, then we or just this key is equal to this key's value is equal to null, then we assign the value, we create a new value which is new array list, which is empty list, and we assign that value to this key. We put this key and value into that map, and then we say list dot add the current position, and right here means that we use the reference, means that we also put this I into that list, right, into that list, and this value also is put at the keys value, right, which is right here, right? So we just put also into that map as the value as well. Then in the case when list dot size is equal to group sizes at the position of I, we say result dot add this list, then we say map dot put group sizes the current position of I, and we create a new array list. The type integer means that we create an empty list which is assigned to that key, which is right here, and finally we return this result, and this is the whole problem. Let's run this code. There we go. Let's submit. Good, success. So let's look at this example real quick. We got this array group sizes, and you know, positions indices start from 0 because that's 0 based in Java. Then we construct this result, which is an empty list of lists, and we got map, right? We got map, which is also empty. We got map. Then we create we don't create, we start looping through these group sizes, and we call method compute if absent. I already explained it to you what that means. So we check, initially we are at the position of 0 right here, and we see that there is no key into that map, so we just put that let's say we put the key, which is 3, and a new empty array list, which is suppose like E means empty array list. And yeah, so we add into that list, which is, let's say we got list as well, list, we got just empty list, and then we add I, which is 0, and also we add the value. As I said, we got the reference, so we just say we add the value, which is 0, right here into that map as the value, and we skip this condition because the list, the size of that list is not equal to the current value at the position of 0 into that group sizes. Then we increment I by 1. We are here. We already got the key, which is assigned to 0, right? I mean the value, yeah, like the key, and we got the value which is assigned to that key, and that value is equal to 0. Then we got the list, so right here, let's say we got 0. Then we got we got 0, and we add I, which is 1, so we got 0 and 1 at the first iteration, and then we also skip this condition. We go here, but before we need to insert the value into that map as well, right? Then we increment this I by 1. Then we are here, and we can see that we already got that key into that map, so we just get the list, which is 0 and 1. Then we add 2, and we add 2 here, and we see that the size of that list is equal to 3 right here, so we just add that list to that result. We got this result right there, and we delete, remove the value which is assigned to that key, and we got an empty list. Then again we go list, we increment I by 1, we go here, and we got I, which is 3. Then we can see that we already got 3 into that map, so we add 3, right? We got list, which is an empty list. Then we add 3. Then again we skip this condition. Then we go here. We can see that we already got that before we need to hold up 1 second. Here we add 3 as well. Then we go here, and we add 4. to that 3, then 3 and 4, and we add 4 here as well. Then we increment I by 1. We see that there is no key, which is 1, into that map, so we add 1. We say map 1 and an empty list. Then we add 5 as a value, and we skip the size of this list, we got the list which is 1, which is 5, yeah. Look at this list, which is 5, and we see that the size of that list is equal to 1. So just we say result.add this list. We add 5, then we remove that value, and we got an empty list. Again, we increment I by 1, and we got 3 again, right? 3 is mapped to 3 and 4, so we got 3 and 4 here, and we add 6, and we add 6 right here as well. And we can see that this list is equal to 3 right there. So we add that list to that result. We got 3, 4 and 6 right here, yeah. And we clear again, let's say map right here, we clear this list, and we remove that value, and we add the new array list. We got an empty list. And finally we break out of that loop, and we return the result, which is here 0, 1, 2, 5 and 3, 4, 6, right? 0, 1, 2, then 5 and 3, 4, 6. That's the whole problem. Thank you guys for watching. Leave your comments below. I want to know what you think. Follow me on social medias, on Instagram, on the Snapchat, and I wish you all the best. Thank you. Bye.